Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's feature is a very special unboxing from Missoma. So as you know, they recently went on sale for 50% off on June 30th, I believe. And I saw it on Facebook and I have been really interested in trying out their jewelry pieces because I've seen a lot of influencers wear Missoma. So it took all in all 5 days from order to receipt. Currently I'm in Asia right now, so they shipped their shipment through FedEx, only took 5 days. And the great thing about if you're ordering outside of the UK is you get your taxes back. So they call it VAT, value added tax. And everything that I purchased, I only purchased 3 items, they reduced the VAT automatically, which is awesome, right? Just anything to get further discount is always a bonus. So I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do it with you together. So here's the box. Wow. And very pretty design inside. Tissue paper wrapping with a little sticker. So the box open looks like this. Here's some information brochures about the care, their philosophy, and the details. And a little catalog on their newest designs. And then look at that, I got 3 items and they all individually boxed. And I also got a little Let It Shine envelope. Just opening it together with you. Oh, it's a jewelry polishing cloth with the Missoma logo there, if you can see it. First one, so here we go, this box, clamshell box, and a nice little velvet fabric pouch with a lovely silver button. And these are my earrings. So here they are, gold small Infini hoops. And Missoma is, they try to make a very stylish jewelry as affordable as possible. So they are not pure gold, but I believe these are 18 karat plated gold with either with brass underneath or silver. So they call it vermeil. So let me try them on. So these are the small Infini hoops. I was expecting them to be a little bit smaller, but it's a nice size. Definitely stands out. Even if my hair is covering my ears, you can sort of get a glimpse of them as well. And these were, after VAT discounted and the sale price of 50%, they were over 46 pounds. And then my next item in another Missoma box is, oh, it fell out. Here, it's a ring. And this one is the gold Ancien ring. So I think it means ancient. And I just wanted something to pair with the current rings I have from Cartier. And I got this one a little bit bigger. I wasn't really sure on my sizing, so I just sort of went with 52, so I wear 50 with my Cartier wedding band. This is size 52, and it's actually kind of, it's not snug, but it fits my wedding finger on my right hand perfectly well. I was actually hoping to wear it like on my 3rd finger or my index finger, but I can see it's, I can probably force it down, but it might be a bit tight and I don't want to really do that right now. I like the fact that it has these concentric circles and just makes it look like it's been stacked, and it's a little bit more of a statement ring to wear. So we'll see how how the wear and tear on this ring goes. And this ring was over 37 and 50 pounds. Of course, with the VAT and the discount. My third piece, so I find that all their earrings come with a box and a really cute little pouch to, travel pouch to store your jewelry. And even this pouch comes with like a little, a divider. So this divider will allow you to say, put 2 pieces in. It's my first ever ear cuff and it's so cute. I'm so excited to try this on. This piece is called the Gold Claw Celestial Ear Cuff. This was not on sale. They had another one that was on sale that was similar to my Infini earring, but I thought it would be like too much Infini style going on, and I like the fact that this was like a shooting star with a little diamond at the end. So I've never tried an ear cuff before. Let me just see how easy it is to wear. Oh, okay, it slides on really easily, and it just sort of hangs onto the bone structure of your ear. So this is how it looks. So yeah, really happy. I have my 3 pieces, my ring, my earring, and my ear cuff. So overall, I've been really happy with the order. It was easy to place online, great with the VAT discount. Shipping was super fast. They used FedEx, so that was something I could track and make sure what time they were gonna arrive. So definitely take advantage of the summer sale. I think I've been waiting for the longest time. I've been checking out Missoma since March, and until now in July did I get the sale. So I believe they're going to do another sale around Black Friday, but in the meantime, if there's something that you're want to check out, definitely go on over and take a look. I also visited Mercury, another comparable jewelry site that's based in Canada, but unfortunately at the time I checked, they weren't offering any sales. So, but that's definitely another brand that I'd like to check out and look into. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe for more videos and supporting this channel. In the meantime, I wish you all glamour and style. Bye now.